All right, so I want to show you guys something I do for people with that are coming in and they have no idea what this is going to look like on their head and they're nervous about getting it done. And you want to show them an example of what it looked like on their head. This isn't 100% accurate, obviously, but if you use just to put it on the surface, this is an eyeshadow. There's companies out there that sell this same kind of thing for like 50, 60 bucks, but you can get this for like $4 or $5 at any beauty place. It could be any dark eyeshadow type thing. This is just pure black, and pure black is fine as long as it's sitting on the surface. And it comes with a little applicator, or you can use get a separate brush. Might make it easier. Well, you get a little bit on here of this black, and it's gonna look really crazy on my head if I went too dark with this, but you don't need a lot. You just barely dab it on. That's a lot. But you see, if you rub it out a little bit, it starts to look more like a scalp would. So I can create a super low hairline here. But yeah, I'm gonna clean this off. Yeah, don't go that low. But yeah, this will help you with your clients and seeing, for them to see where their hairline should be and what it'll look like.